Part hair into 5 or 6 sections and secure with butterfly clips. This will allow you to navigate more easily through the hair while you're styling. Starting at the back section of the hair, create a horizontal part from left to right. Use the clip to separate the remaining hair. Apply a small amount of twisting cream to each section. Using a water bottle, keep the hair saturated wet throughout the styling process. Using a comb or your fingers, make sure the hair is properly detangled. Create a 1-inch section by parting the hair vertically. The size of the section will determine the size of the twist. With the 1-inch section in your hands, split into 2 smaller sections. Wrap one section of hair over the other section to create a 2-strand twist. At the end of the twist, use your fingers to twirl the ending hair around your finger. This will keep the ends of your hair frizz-free and smooth. Again, with the 1-inch section in your hands, make sure the hair is detangled by combing and split into 2 smaller sections. Wrap one section of hair over the other section to create a 2-strand twist. At the end of the twist, use your finger and twirl that hair around your finger to keep the hair smooth. Continue twisting throughout your entire hair shaft. Keep in mind, your parts do not have to be even or straight as the twists are coming out. Once you have completed your entire head, sit under a hooded dryer for at least 45 minutes. Dryer time is contingent upon the length and thickness of your hair. After dry, apply an oil or hair butter on each twist for sheen. Separate and untwist each twist into small sections. Also, if you would like to make the hair even fuller, you can separate the hair into 3 or 4 smaller sections. To give your hair even more volume, use a pick at the base of your scalp and pick your hair up. Do not pull the pick throughout your entire hair shaft. Just keep the pick at the base of the scalp. This will create volume and fullness. Okay, these are the final results. You can tell that her hair is full and fabulous. Now, how long a twist out lasts really is contingent upon your hair and how you maintain your hair. It can last anywhere from 1 week to 2 weeks. So before I go, I wanted to give you some quick tips on how to maintain your hair. Always sleep on a pillowcase, satin pillowcase, or with a satin scarf or a satin bonnet on your hair before going to bed, particularly when you have more than 3 inches of hair. Now, with your twist out, it's important that you either put on that bonnet or retwist your hair at night. Now, when you retwist, the retwists, they do not have to be perfect. You want to take your hair in large sections of hair, put a little bit of twisting cream or gel, not a lot. You don't want to create buildup. Maybe mist it a little bit with water for some slip, and just retwist before you go to bed. So you can put your hair in like really big chunky twists. So when you go to bed, you might look like silly, but that's okay. Put your bonnet on in the morning time. Take that bonnet off, put a little bit of oil or butter on your twist, untwist, fluff it out with your fingers, and there you go. That's how you extend the life of your twist out. Twist outs last, again, from 1 week to 2 weeks, and how often you retwist your hair is also contingent upon your texture. Those with finer textured hair tend to have to retwist their hair more. Those with coarser hair may retwist their hair once a week, but it's really contingent upon you and how you like for your hair to look. So if you have not done so already, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.